everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram account private or public. So watch this video till the end. Open the Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap Settings. On the Settings page, tap Privacy. Slide the bar of Private account if it is public. Click on Switch to Private. And likewise, slide the bar for Public account if it is private and switch to Public. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.